You know, I keep hearing the number one challenge for salon owners is hiring staff. Where are they? The seasoned stylists are renting a suite or going out on their own booth rental. So where you got to go? You got to go to the schools, right? You got to get those brand new stylists right out of school. But wow, how are you going to bring them up to speed? Are you a salon owner struggling with this? You feel overwhelmed by the task of training, mentoring, and tracking performance while you still run the salon or work behind the chair? You're not alone, and there's a better way. I have a brand new download. It is free. It is called the Ultimate In-Salon Training Toolkit, and is designed specifically to help salon owners like you create a structured, stress-free training program that will transform new hires into confident, high-performing professionals. This step-by-step guide will take the guesswork out of training, giving you everything you need to onboard your new stylist with confidence. I will leave a link in the show notes. You can also go over to my website and snag it at DeniseKeilitz.com. It's totally free. Go get your copy today. Today's episode is for all the salon owners out there who've created something beautiful, a space that feels like an experience from the moment someone walks through the door. So let me ask you, could your space be named one of the most stunning salons of 2025? If the answer is even maybe, then you need to hear this, because Salon Today just opened entries for their 42nd annual Salons of the Year competition, and your business might be exactly what the industry needs to see. Welcome to All About Hair, where we talk shop, share stories, and spill the secrets behind great hair and a great career. I'm your host, Denise Keilitz, a former salon owner, educator, and a lifelong hair crusader. Whether you're a new stylist building your book or just someone who loves learning about all things hair, you're in the right place. Each week, we dive into real techniques, honest career advice, and inspiration to help you grow behind the chair, or just fall even more in love with the world of hair. Because around here, it's not just about looking good, it's about learning, evolving, and having a little fun along the way. So grab your coffee, your shears, or your dry shampoo, and let's get into it. Okay, so every year, salon owners invest thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands, into creating spaces that are not only functional, but inspiring. And yet, most of that effort stays hidden behind the doors of your local zip code. Too often, talented owners think their space isn't quite good enough to enter a competition like this, or they don't have the photos, time, or confidence to apply. But here's the thing. If you've created something with heart, intention, and beauty, it is time to share it, because Salons of the Year doesn't just celebrate perfection. It honors innovation, vision, and impact. Now, if you guys don't know what Salon Today's contests are, they have Salons of the Year. They have the top 200 salons. This is a wonderful way to get your salon represented nationally in a contest, and it's pretty simple to do. We entered Salon Today 200 a few years. When I first started my career, that was the biggest goal. I used to scour through Salon Today magazine, and every year they would have this list of the top 200 salons, and I would just, oh my gosh, read it cover to cover, because I wanted all those points and all those ideas and all the motivation. And I just dreamed about being a top 200 salon one day. And I thought it was impossible. I thought it was only for those big salons with, big budgets that had celebrity clients. You know what I'm talking about. We all have seen salons like that, but it's not that way. Now, the Salon Today 200, they have lots and lots of categories you can enter in. Growth, education, leadership, all these things. That's not what today's podcast is about. but I wanted to kind of tell you about this because that's the contest we entered. And how I learned how to do this was from a dear friend of mine who's a salon owner. First time I met her, she introduced herself as a top 200 salon with Salon Today. And I was like, what? I had to ask her how. And so she said it was easy. I mean, it really is an easy entrance to get yourself involved with this. Basically, go to Salon Today official website, check out their contests. They've got a few. They've even got one on marketing, I believe, and read the rules. The top 200, it really is essays. They're looking, you have to write about what you've done. And so some people really don't like it. They frown upon it, about the whole contest altogether. However, it is one of those accolades that you could put on your business card, you could put on your front door, and it just looks really good to say, and that you're in the presence of other salons who think the same way you do, who want excellence out of our industry. That's what I see it as. I remember when we got our award the first time, they were presenting the awards in New Orleans, and my husband and I flew there, and oh my gosh, I was so excited. I could not believe it. And there was like 20 other Euphoria salons that had gotten awarded as well. It was such an amazing, amazing experience to be in the same room with, and you didn't have to be a Euphoria salon. I just said that because they were my peeps. But it was just amazing to be in the same room with all these leaders from all these salons that we all want the best for our industry. We're all trying to better the industry. So that's why when I saw this come through my email about the Salons of the Year contest, I wanted to do a podcast about it because I want my fellow salon owners who listen to this all over the world to know that we as salon owners, it's up to us to level up our industry. Nobody else is going to do it for us. So, and this is part of doing that, is you enter contests, the cream rises to the top, right? You get yourself recognized. Then you can use that in your marketing. And then other people look at you, clients look at you like I used to look at those salons. Wow, this must be a really special place. So that's why I'm doing this, okay? Let's talk about the part, kind of like me. I mean, I didn't think I was capable of doing that, but I won like 4 years in a row. The part that stops most people cold is the submission process. Now, in this contest, yes, it's photo-based. Yes, there's a form. Yes, there's actually a fee to enter, a $75 fee. But what if I told you that the real magic is in how you prepare for the submission? Let me walk you through the key strategies that can make your entries stand out and dramatically increase your chances of being recognized, okay? Here's what you need to know if you're even thinking about entering this contest. Number 1, use a professional photographer. Salon mirrors and lighting are really tricky. A professional who knows how to photograph interiors can highlight your color bar, your retail area, your shampoo lounge, all without glare or distortion. And bonus, guess what? You'll be able to reuse these photos for your website, social media, and staff recruitment. Okay, my second tip, keep it people free. Now, you're allowed one photo with owners or your team, but everything else should be all about your space. No clients, no stylists in action, just clean architectural storytelling. Third tip, remove all the clutter. This drives me up the wall anyway on a daily basis in a salon, but just remove the clutter. Tidy up all your stations, wipe down the front desk, and clear away cups, cords, and chaos. Product is welcome in your retail area and color bar, but keep everything neat and intentional. Take off the plastic wrap. If you've got new chairs, resist the urge to leave on the protective vinyl. It's distracting and it takes away from the luxury vibe you've created. After the pictures, you could pop those things back on, because I know some of these chairs, you don't want color to get on them, and you've just invested a bunch of money on them. Skip the seasonal decor. like Christmas wreaths or Easter bunnies. Might be cute for the season you're in, but they date your photos for the judges. So keep your design timeless and season neutral. And then, last but not least, tell a visual story. The judges will read your written application, including questions about your 3 favorite design choices. So make sure your photos highlight those moments. Use file names or captions to make it clear which image aligns with which story. This is relatively important just so it makes the job easier for judging. Let me tell you, one of my friends in Temecula, California, she entered and she actually won Salon of the Year. And I remember congratulating on her. And I got to tell you, her salon is beautiful. Beautiful. And her photos of her salon, stunning. She well deserved award for that salon. Let's talk about the key deadlines and information you need to enter this contest. Your salon must have opened or been remodeled between January 1st, 2023 and March 30th, 2025. You must submit up to 10 high-res images, and these need to be at least 300 dpi and 9 by 12 inches. Your entry must be fully completed and submitted by the end of June, this month. I'm recording this on the 2nd of June, so you have almost a month. So June 30th, 2025 is the deadline. Entry includes a short application, which you can find on their website, 3 essay questions, a signed release, and the $75 processing fee. Now, winners may be asked to submit a video tour to be featured in the digital issue. That's if you win. And this year, Salon Today will recognize excellence across 6 categories: hair salon or salon day spa or medical spa, barbershop, nail salon, salon suites or independent workspaces. That's cool, huh? And blow dry bars. So no matter what your setup, and if it's beautifully designed, it belongs here. So why does this matter? Let's get real. Winning or even being featured in Salons of the Year is a powerful moment. It validates your vision. It gives your team a sense of pride. And it puts your salon in front of tens of thousands of industry professionals and potential new clients. And more than anything, it tells the story of what's possible when creativity meets leadership. If your space has been transformed, if you've created a salon, spa, or barbershop that feels like magic, this is your sign to go for it. Visit salontoday.com to grab the application or check the link in the show notes to download my free PDF. You've already done the hard part. Now it's time to shine. And remember, when you know better, you do better. Thanks for tuning in to All About Hair. If you loved this episode, hit subscribe, leave us a review, and share it with a fellow stylist or hair-loving friend. You want more tips, tools, and behind-the-scenes goodness? Follow me on YouTube or head to my website at denisekailitz.com. Yes, I know it's hard to spell, so don't worry, the link is in the show notes. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and keep loving what you do. Hey guys, real talk for a second. If you're a stylist or a salon owner dreaming of a smoother, more profitable 2025 without working yourself into the ground, I've got something you're going to love. I've been testing out Gloss Genius, and let me tell you, it's a total game changer. Imagine your entire booking system, payments, client notes, and rebooking all in one place. Easy to use, beautiful to look at, and designed with salon pros in mind. Here's what really sold me. Gloss Genius is offering a free data transfer right now. That means they move over your whole book of business for you. Services, clients, everything. And you don't have to do a thing. Plus, check this out. You get a super low processing rate, just 2.6%, no hidden fees. Clients can book in 30 seconds, no apps, no logins, just simple. And they've got smart tools to help you grow, like auto reviews, reminders, and even marketing powered by AI. If you're ready to grow your business and your peace of mind this year, do yourself a favor and give Gloss Genius a try. Sign up with my link in my show notes and get started for free. You deserve tools that work as hard as you do.